AI is making you faster, but it might also be making you dumber. Not because AI is bad, but because of how we're using it. Most people think the danger of AI is replacement. The real danger is cognitive atrophy. Your brain is like a muscle, and right now, many people are outsourcing it completely. Let me show you how to use AI without killing your brain, and how to use it in a way that actually raises your intelligence. Here's something most people don't know. Your brain changes based on how much effort it expects to need. In psychology, this is called cognitive offloading. When your brain believes, a tool will think for me, it stops activating deep processing systems, working memory, long-term encoding, analytical reasoning. Studies on GPS already showed this. People who rely on GPS have weaker spatial memory than people who navigate manually. AI is like GPS, but for thinking. If you always ask AI to explain, summarize, decide, write, your brain learns, I don't need to try. And no effort equals no learning. Dopamine and learning. Learning doesn't happen when things feel easy. It happens when effort feels meaningful. Here's the key insight. Your brain doesn't reward answers. It rewards successful struggle. Neuroscience shows dopamine spikes when you predict success, after effort, before certainty. When AI gives you instant answers, no struggle, no prediction, no uncertainty. So dopamine stays low, and low dopamine equals shallow learning. That's why watching AI-generated explanations feels productive, but disappears from memory tomorrow. The wrong way to use AI. Let's be honest, most people use AI like this. Explain this to me. Summarize this book. Write this for me. Solve this. This turns AI into a cognitive crutch. The brain hears, you're not needed, and slowly it believes it. The right way. 4 brain-safe AI rules. Rule 1, think first, then ask AI. Never start with AI. Start with your own explanation, your own outline, your own guess. Then ask, here's my thinking. What am I missing? This activates retrieval practice, error correction. Deep encoding, AI becomes a mirror, not a replacement. Rule 2, use AI to challenge, not comfort. Instead of, explain this simply, ask, question my understanding. Give me counterexamples. Where could this fail? Difficulty equals memory. This is called desirable difficulty, a well-established learning principle. Rule 3, delay the answer. Before asking AI, write 3 bullet points, draw a simple diagram, explain it out loud. Yes, out loud. Only then, evaluate my explanation. This creates dopamine through effort plus feedback. Rule 4, AI after output, not before. Golden rule, output first, AI second. Write, think, solve, then refine with AI. If AI comes first, your brain stays passive. If AI comes second, your brain stays sharp. Reframing AI. AI is not your brain. AI is your sparring partner, editor, challenger, accelerator. Not your thinker. The people who will win in the AI era are not the fastest prompt writers. They are the ones who can think clearly, ask better questions, detect errors, connect ideas. AI amplifies whatever is already there. So here's the real rule. If AI feels too easy, you're using it wrong. Use AI to stretch your brain, not shrink it. Because the future doesn't belong to people who outsource thinking. It belongs to people who know when not to. If this changed how you think about learning, share it with someone who uses AI every day. And if you want more videos on learning faster, thinking deeper, and using technology wisely in the AI era, subscribe to the channel.